nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you.
Hello everyone, this is the Bell Makeovers. You're welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you're welcome. I'm sorry I've been MIA on this channel, but now I'm back and I'm ready to create so many beautiful looks for you, just like this glam one that I have right here. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share to your friends. Okay, so let's get started. All the products I used will be listed in the description box. I started by thoroughly washing my own hands, then I went to cleansing her face with micellar cleansing water. For this look, I'll be starting with her brows. So right now I'm just prepping the brow areas by applying some primer on it. So I have an updated eyebrow routine. If you would like to see it, let me know in the comment section. So I'm just setting the concealer that I used to highlight the brows with powder before going into eyeshadow primer, which is what I'm applying on her eyelid with my fingers. The eye look is pretty simple. I started with a beige look at the inner corner of the eye and transitioned into an orange color, and for the outer corner I used a dark brown eyeshadow to contour. Afterwards, I applied some glitter primer on the eyeshadow and put some pigments on it for some sparkle. That's all for the eyes.
Baby, this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Baby, this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
So once the eyes are done, I thoroughly cleaned the face again, making sure that I removed every eyeshadow fallout from the eyes. Then after cleansing, I went into toning. I'm applying a toner with that brush all over the face. I'm avoiding the under eye area, but every other part of the face I'm applying some toner. And after that, I moved into moisturizer to make sure that the face is really moisturized. I didn't use a primer for this look. I wanted the under eye area to be super moisturized, so I made sure I put a generous amount of moisturizer under the eyes. So now I'll move into foundation application, highlighting and contouring. If you have any question about any aspect of this tutorial, please leave your question in the comment section and I'll definitely reply. If you have any look as well that you would like me to create, please also comment it in the comment section and I'll definitely work on them.
To you, I do it all for you. Baby, this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are that you pull me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you pull me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you pull me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you up to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to like this video. Also leave a comment and share to your friends. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.